If you find yourself locked out of your Santander account, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to recover your account easily. Step 1. Visit the Santander website. Go to the official Santander website. Look for the login section where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srog.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your email address or account number. Make sure the details you enter match the information on your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your email for a recovery message from Santander. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password or unlock your account. Step 5. Log in with your new credentials. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your account details with the new password and access your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider contacting Santander customer support for further assistance.